Anushka, in Patiala House, there's 3 generations of actors. Rishi Kapoor has been working for 40 years. Akshay Kumar has been working for 20 years. You're a relative newcomer. Was there a big difference in the approach, in the sort of, working styles? Was there ever a clash?
No, not at all actually. I guess as an actor, you just go to, you just do your bit, right? But then yes, there was a lot of learning that was taking place from my end because I was working with accomplished actors like Rishi Kapoor and Akshay and Dimple Kapadia. Rishi Kapoor kept telling me that you guys are really spoiled because you people stay in like AC vanity vans and you're working in AC studios. हम लोग तो गर्मी में बैठते रहते थे. So that was the only thing he told me was different. But other than that, no, not approach towards the craft.
Now, after Band Baja Barat, you have more clout, more leverage as an actor. How are you going to use it?
The only thing that I wish that after a successful film is that I want to do better films. I want to be approached by the filmmakers I want to work with. I do have a list of directors that I want to work with.
Who are these?
I'm so protective of that list that I cannot share it with anybody, probably not even like my own family. I'm really superstitious about it, but there is a list. It has 15 names on it.
15?
15 names on it. It keeps getting added and sometimes deleted also.
Really? Like off with his head? I don't want him on my list.
Okay, I hope you do come back, but right now, maybe not.
Anushka, when you approach a film, what is your method? Is it spontaneity? Is it rehearsing? How do you go into a role?
When I get a scene, and I know the script, and I know my character a little bit, I just read the scene and I just get an instinct as to how I should say those lines. If I need to pick up a lingo, if I need to like change the way I speak, like in Band Baja Barat, to pick up like a Delhi accent. I mean, I'm from Bangalore. I don't speak like that normally.
You don't do backstory and you don't do all of that?
See, these things happen subconsciously. I think there's no difference between a method actor and a spontaneous actor. You do the same things, it's just that you're not aware of it.
It just comes
out, but it's actually the same thing. And I think I noticed this more with doing this film with Ranveer, because he is a method actor. So we are like two very different actors, like completely different. So I used to observe him to be able to understand what I do.
Is that jarring in any way when there are two actors who have such opposite sort of methodologies? Do you throw each other off or do you work better?
We did throw each other off initially because he would want a lot of rehearsals and I can't rehearse beyond a point. What would happen is initially we didn't even know each other very well. So we would fight almost like without really like fight. I mean, go back and swear at each other in our vans that, oh God, I can't work with her. Oh God, I can't stand him. But Manish came to our rescue and he would rehearse with Ranveer after a point when I couldn't rehearse with him any longer. So yeah, we found our way. But I do think that it's because we are so different as actors that probably that's the reason why the friction, which is chemistry or whatever, worked in our favor.
You said in an interview that two women actually can't be friends. Two actresses can't be friends. And anyway, I get along better with my male co-stars and I don't get along with women. Why do you not get along with women?
Not all women, but
specific women.
I don't know. I'm just more comfortable around men.
Now, Ranveer also said that you guys obviously are friends. You're very close. He talks about how much he loves you, but he said in an interview that he could never handle you in the capacity of a boyfriend. He said boyfriend ki to wo jaan le legi. Now, why would he say that?
That's because Ranveer can't be your boyfriend.
So it's him, it's not you.
Obviously. Ranveer is a very fine guy, very, very hardworking. But he's quite caught up with himself at the moment, which he should be. It's his first film. He's coming into the industry. He has to, I understand that. And that's why I say I can't ever date him. Actually, people ask us this question, why don't we see each other? So I'm like, yeah, this is the reason, because I would want a boyfriend who'll, at the end of the day, not just come and tell me what happened in his day, but probably ask me, so how did your day go? Which you will never do. So I can't date you.
But Anushka, are you at that stage where you find that you can give, or are you like Ranveer, totally into your career right now?
I couldn't do it sometime back, but right now I can, and right now I think I can be in a relationship also, but I also realize that it's not going to happen.
Why?
I'm too new, so I can say this, but I'm not meeting boys. I'm just meeting actors, and I don't want to be dating actors.
Why not?
Because they're self-obsessed. We all are self-obsessed. We can't be like, I'm self-obsessed, I can't be with another person who's equally self-obsessed.
So no Mr. Right right now?
I'm not looking for a Mr. Right right now.
What
I'm looking for a Mr. Right now.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.